Hey, welcome guys. Thanks for visiting our channel once again. Love having you on our channel here. Today we're going to be making another recipe. Today we're going to be making dinner rolls. Everybody loves dinner rolls, right? I do. And for this recipe we're going to need those ingredients that's right there. We're going to be using some all-purpose flour, some sugar, water, milk, yeast, butter, eggs, and some salt. So that's all we need for our dinner rolls. So let's get started, guys. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is add our yeast to our water here for it to activate. So we're gonna add this here and leave it for about 10 minutes, at which time this will activate. You're gonna add a bit of sugar to your yeast mixture too. The sugar helps it to activate the yeast faster. So that's it, and we're gonna set this aside for it to rise. Okay guys, so 10 minutes has been up for us, and as you can see our yeast is overflowing there, has risen. So we have warmed our milk. Your milk needs to be warm, so we're gonna add that to the yeast and water sugar mixture. And we have melted our butter. We're now gonna add that to the mixture as well. So that's the salt we have just added. And now for the sugar. So all our ingredients are going into this mixture, as you can see. So give that a good mix, make sure everything is dissolved in there. Okay guys, so now we have our flour, and we're gonna begin to mix the dough for our and these are so soft and nice, guys. You really don't need any kind of spread on these. Sometimes I just have them by themselves. Yummy. So this dough is gonna be a little bit sticky, and that's the way it should be. So now we're gonna add some flour to our board and mix on the board now. It's easier that way. Okay guys, so once you've mixed everything and gotten your dough together like this, you want to knead this now for about 6 to 8 minutes. And basically you're just pulling it over itself and kneading it like that. Same action repeated. So our dough is finished kneading, and this is what it looks like now. So we're just gonna make it a bit round there, and we've added some oil to this here, and we're gonna set it inside. Okay, so after kneading your dough, you have to cover this, leave it in a dry place to rise for 1 hour. Okay? So see you in an hour, guys. So you can put it in your microwave or your oven and just leave it there to rise, okay? Okay, so time is up for dough, and it has risen. Wow, look at that. So now we're gonna punch this down. Take out all the air from there. So now you're going to roll your dough into a log. So make sure you grease your pan a bit so that your rolls don't stick on there. We're just using some margarine to do that. Okay guys, so we're going to cut off our pieces for our rolls. Okay, so we got 12 pieces here. And this is how it's rolled. So we've made all the rolls, guys, as you can see here. So the next step is to cover these, leave them in a dry place to rise for about 45 minutes. So that's what we'll do now, and we'll see you in 45 minutes. Okay guys, so while our rolls are rising, we gotta do our egg wash. We're gonna brush these on before we put them in the oven. So it's basically just one egg and a little bit of water. So it's time is up for rolls as well. For rising, and there they are. They have risen nicely, as you can see. Okay, that's it. And our oven is up to temperature, so we're gonna go put this in now. Okay guys, so it's time for our rolls to be done. And they're looking gorgeous. Look at our rolls, guys. Gorgeous. Wow. So now you want to apply some margarine or butter in it. So you see what I told you? You can just eat them all by themselves. Okay guys, so we're gonna break into one of our dinner rolls for you to see. And they're soft. See that? There you go, look at that, how fluffy and nice it is. Wow. So there you go guys, our dinner rolls recipe. If you like this recipe guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon also so you get notifications from us whenever we post a new video. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.